what did we have?
Cheetos mac and cheese.
I will put like I took like a picture. I didn't vlog that time because I was too hungry.
It was yum.
It was yum. And then we got this marshmallow chocolate. And now we're on a hunt to find Amma's drink.
Tiramisu with coffee.
It's like a coffee, right? With tiramisu on top, like a piece of it. It sounds very good, but Amma's camera can't find it, and I'm trying to tell her where it is, and she's not listening to me. See? So that's all. Basically, we just say we're at Global Village, me and Amma alone. I wanted to come here for like I don't know how long, but scammer Amma always was like, we'll do something else.
Eating spree.
Yeah, we already ate.
No shopping spree.
We already ate 2 things so far. Now,
two things down.
yeah, and now we're gonna try to look for more. But that's it. So guys, bye guys. Hey guys. So we are at Global. Okay, we said that. Why am I doing it like I'm making? Okay. So we now are gonna eat
Beef tacos.
that nihari and roti. I actually think it's nihari and roti.
Mexican beef tacos.
But we're gonna eat that right now, and yeah, that's it. I'm gonna vlog it, and we're gonna do a review on it too. Woo! Okay, bye guys. Hey guys, what's up? So we had the niharika. We had tacos, but it was straight up nihari. I'm telling you, it was actually nihari and roti. It had other stuff in it, but I thought it was full nihari in it. But yeah, it was. I feel Catch 22 had much better nihari and roti. But you know, now we are trying to look for Amma's scammer coffee with tiramisu on it, and we found a place, but Amma wants to get from that place the one where she wants only. Now we're gonna scamming look for it. What to do? But anyways guys, I cut my hair a bit, can you tell? It's not that much. But okay, anyways, that's it. Bye. What do you get?
Choma.
Choma?
Chamoy.
Chamoy. I'm not gonna scamming have that.
It's so fun.
No, bro, she got it and it's gonna actually be so spicy.
No, it's
Guys,
chamoy.
look at everything around.
It's chamoy and Tajin shosh.
Look at the Julian.
Chamoy hill hai.
Oh, there's a jagah over there. Let's go attack. Pineapple hai pehla wala, guys. How is it?
Yum.
Yeah, is it spicy?
Not at all.
No way. I tried it. It is weird.
No, it's yum.
What the scam she's doing right now, bro?
It's yum.
It's not. It is very.
Chamoy.
It's very khata. It's khata and ajeeb. I did not like it. She's so weird. Oh.
Now with mango. The one with mango?
That's why there was like one full for mango only.
नहीं मुझे watermelon और mango में ज़्यादा interest था. Pineapple बिल्कुल नहीं. और ये क्या है? Grape?
Grape ही होगा, but that's a huge.
आमला लग रहा है.
आमला क्या है? That's a huge grape though. Scammer is big backing it. Okay, now we're going to see. We made a list, so I really wanted to try the tiramisu latte one. I mean, what do you call that? Coffee. But stop being freaky, bro. Get your fingers out, bro. Anyway,
Let's go.
Let's go, guys. Wait, my phone. Oh. Let's go try the koboi wala. Let's have.
बहुत ही बच्चे का था यार ये तो पता है क्या अब नेक्स्ट टाइम मुझसे बोले सिर्फ वाटरमेलन और मैंगो दे.
You can't really choose that way, I think.
नहीं but I will tell her I just want watermelon and mango pieces. बहुत मजे का.
बहुत मजे का. So guys, if you come to Global, बहुत मजे का था. Try it out. I love it. No, I don't like it. think
was my to try list.
I think we should have. So now we are sitting down and heaving and having tuntunononon.
Chamoya was much better.
Amma's chamoya was according better, but we are having this tununo. It's this. Okay, and
Bad.
I expected
Sometimes
more.
it's 6, 7, and then sometimes it's 8, 9. In one bite, it's 6, 7.
Initial bite I had, I was like, oh, but then when I ate it, I was like, oh. It was kind of like
Then it gets to 6, 7.
I expected more. I was like, okay, I think you got chicken, that's why.
It's not for chicken. It's for chicken. I mean, it's talking.
Nihari. Yeah. So we kind of have that. We had that.
It's
so
okay. It's the one time.
yeah, it's a one-time try. Yeah, I think we're gonna get this back. Then we're gonna go and have the drink because I'm actually kind of excited for that.
Now we want the drink.
I actually.
And I'm
want-
thinking to have chamoya again.
असली में I wanna have मीठा too. I really wanna have the nadu nodu.
हाँ नाडू नूडू भी खाना है.
अभी खाना है?
हाँ.
अभी oh,
It's
you
perfect.
far away. Okay guys, so we had
Totoroki noodle.
no.
Yeah, it was
We had some noodles. Wait,
Korean noodle. Totoroki.
it was really good. It was noodles with fries, and it was all very good. Now we are going to have meetha, and we're going to go.
Finally.
Yeah, we're going to go have meetha. Going to Turkey. Turkey is right next to Pakistan. So Pakistan is right there. This is Pakistan. Woo! So now we're gonna go to Turkey. We're gonna have it, and then we're gonna give an amazing review about it too. Such a long line. This scammer is waiting in. Like, look at that line. That is where we need to go. Look at all of
There the
these
coffee
people. What number 470? That's your number.
Thank you.
Ooh, ma, look at this. Okay. 10 out of 10?
11 out of 10.
11. I can try the tiramisu.
The coffee is yum.
Coffee is yum. 10 out of 10?
Come try it out.
Okay, I will try it now. Okay, guys, what's up, guys? Mama
So
is
full.
Amma is tired and full. But I want to buy something. Like, I want
Put
to.
some beds also, you know. Anybody who wants to take a nap.
I think that's it. Now we're gonna go and go to where are we going, Ma?
Thailand.
We're gonna go to Thailand. Okay, guys. So we went to China actually, and
Shopping China से ही होती है.
yeah, I got you know what we got on the phone? Kish, I'm gonna show you your phone 1 second. Amma got these like thingies. I wanted L for me, but they actually didn't have. So I will like somehow I'll take Amma's phone and record it and show how my one looks like because my one's better. No, but we got this. Show me, Mama. We got this sunny star thingy, the same, but Amma just got a letter. I wanted to find letter too, but they couldn't. They don't have L. They don't have L anywhere.
El Fulugu.
You chose that name for me. I didn't want it. I didn't even know I was existing. But I got. I actually love garbage. I love bracelets. I love jewelry, especially from
Yeah, try it.
Dragon Mart. Global Village. So I got this. It's same like my necklace. I had one at home, but it was Mota. So the Mota one will go to Amma, and it's a thicker. These are small, tiny little ones, so it's cute. It's a bracelet. So this is one. Second one, I was on a mission actually to find something to wear on this hand because on this hand I already have like a bracelet, right? I found this. It's so cute. I will open it and show you. Look at how pretty it looks. No.
अगर मैंने open कर लिया तो कुछ आपको
Okay. So this is what.
तो टिश्यू भी भूजी है.
Oh my god. This is what I. This is one.
I really love this one.
Which one? This one. Yeah, I'll wear it right now because I wanted to wear on this hand because I had just had
जा रहे हैं
this.
मक्खन पहने.
नहीं मैं आज पहनूंगी अभी पहनूंगी मसला क्या आपका Yeah. Okay. Okay. And Amma got this dress. And this is just khana left over because we kind of big backed it too much. But this is really very pretty. I will show my stickers also. Guys, this vlog is being filmed from Amma's phone. If there is a difference, then I don't know.
Then you can take this.
But this is how my phone
And you
looks
can
like.
remove this and put on this.
No, this is how my one looks like. It's just like a picture of me and Hadia. But this is, I got a Billy. Amma was after my Billy too. And this is me and Amma matching. Woo!
Chamoy, chamoy. Let's have chamoy.
Amma wants it so bad.
अब next time अगर मैं आऊँ और मैं repeat करना चाहूँ, I will only repeat chamoy.
I will repeat the coffee drink.
बहुत अच्छा था.
But I will get a different one.
4 hours.
We spent in Global Village
We're not very
eating.
tired.
Yeah, we can play. We can
I'm
go
okay.
play badminton, ma.
क्या?
Badminton.
नहीं. मुझे घर जाना है.
Guys, this is Amma's phone. I'm gonna be vlogging for a while because I kind of like it. But look at how cute it looks. I wore it. And then on this hand, I have it on. Woo! At the end, it has this chain. Oh. Now we're just waiting for Baba to come because I'm tired.
Yeah, we're tired.
Yeah.
वैसे भी-
Is Amma, what are we watching? What are we watching when we go home?
Veer Zara.
Amma is making me watch all of them. Actually, no, I'm
Good old
interested.
movies.
I'm actually.
All those same movies.
Ma! Yeah. Just say, keep it like that, bro. But anyways, guys, oh, this is so cute. Wow. Ooh.
Good.
Ooh. Amma is so bad. Yo guys, what's up? We are out now. Abba is scamming and he's not coming. Ma! So we got the stuff. I'm feeling it's kind of thanda. You know, before